My name is Amy Lara. I live in Banning, California. I'm a mother of 5, stay-at-home mother. I came across Elite through friends at church. Before we had Elite Financial, our credit score was about a 553. Wasn't able to get any credit cards. Once we started working with Elite Financial, my credit score jumped from a 553 to a 629 in about 45 days. I was able to get 3 credit cards and we were able to buy a new car. And in the next few years, we want to try and buy a new house, and I'm sure working with Elite we'll get to a good credit score. We'll be able to do that. I want to recommend anyone who wants to boost their credit score because I've had a great experience with Elite Financial.